the primal hunt begins, a legacy etched in time. For millions of years, crocodiles have dominated their domains. Silent, patient, an apex predator, waiting for the perfect moment. Then, an explosion of power, a strike of incredible force. A testament to their enduring, brutal efficiency. Welcome to the world of crocodiles, ancient rulers of the wild. These living fossils have survived countless eras, adapting and thriving. Their formidable armor, a shield against all but the greatest threats. Each scale tells a story of survival, of a primitive perfection. Beneath the surface, a jaw built for unmatched power and grip. Unlike mammals, crocodiles replace their teeth throughout their entire lives, ensuring a perpetual, deadly arsenal for every generation.
Their tails, both a weapon and an engine, driving them through water.
A single flick can generate immense force, both in water and on land. Their eyes, equipped with a specialized third eyelid for underwater vision, allowing them to see clearly in their submerged hunting grounds. Scientists like Dr. Evelyn Reed dedicate their lives to understanding them. Each ripple, each track, a clue to their complex existence.
This American alligator is quite active here, judging by these fresh tracks.
And Dr. Marcus Thorne tracks them across vast, wild landscapes. Every movement, every behavior offers insight into their ancient world.
The saltwater crocodile, an incredibly adaptable and formidable species.
From freshwater rivers to saline estuaries, they are true survivors. Their territories span continents, each species uniquely adapted to its home. In Africa, the Nile crocodile reigns supreme in its watery kingdom. A master of camouflage, patience is their ultimate hunting strategy. Motionless for hours, becoming one with their environment, an invisible threat. Prey often remains oblivious until it's far too late. A 10 adjustment, a fraction of an inch, all that's needed. Then, an explosion of force, demonstrating the death roll. Disorienting and dismembering prey, a brutal but effective technique. In the American South, the alligator hunts with similar precision, using highly sensitive pressure receptors along its jawline. They can detect the slightest disturbance, reacting with lightning speed.
A testament to their sensory acuity and predatory prowess.
Beyond the hunt, crocodiles exhibit remarkable parental instincts. Mothers labor tirelessly, building nests for their precious future.
Each egg,
a fragile promise of new life in a dangerous world.
Hidden from predators, yet vulnerable to the elements.
For months, she will stand sentinel, protecting her unborn legacy. Partially submerged, the matriarch cruises the murky waters, a timeless sentinel watching over her hidden nest. Deep within the swamp, the crocodile's eye, unchanged for millions of years, watches for any sign of movement. The powerful tail of the female Nile crocodile sways, creating only the faintest ripple in the tranquil water.
Coveralls. These scales, known as scutes, are reinforced with bone called osteoderms, penetrable shield.
The mother's vigil is relentless, a prehistoric instinct to protect her future. Every moment is crucial. The Nile monitor, a formidable predator, moves silently through the dense river grass, drawn by the scent of the nearby clutch.
A monant lizard, a relentless hunter, closes in.
With a lightning-fast strike, the female protects her territory. Nothing escapes her gaze. Perfectly adapted to the canopy, the emerald tree monitor relies on speed and agility to navigate the dense rainforest environment.
Threats are constant, but the mother's formidable presence is a powerful, unwavering deterrent. Here, deep within the mound, the future of the Nile crocodile lies hidden, protected only by sand and instinct.
The struggle begins. A star-shaped crack on the leathery shell reveals the effort of the hatchling as it fights its way into the world.
Deep within the mound, a new generation stirs, preparing for its perilous, vital emergence.
Emerging from the shell, the tiny Nile crocodile takes its first look at the world outside, unaware of the challenges ahead.
Deep within the sandy nest, the struggle for life begins. The Nile crocodile hatchling uses its egg tooth to break free. Newly hatched, this tiny survivor tumbles into the humid air, beginning a perilous journey.
The first breath of air, the first sight of the world, a monumental struggle for survival.
Driven by instinct, the hatchling breaks through the leathery shell. It will soon join its siblings in the perilous world outside the nest.
Deep within the sandy nest, a new generation stirs. The rhythmic chirping signals a synchronized life. The calls of the hatchlings trigger an ancient instinct. The female, typically a fearsome predator, now becomes the
Nile crocodile, often seen as a fearsome predator, shows incredible gentleness as she helps her young break free from their shells.
The mother's instincts are profound. She listens, she assists, she protects her young. The maternal instinct overrides the fearsome jaws as the Nile crocodile gently transports her young to the water's safety.
The Nile crocodile is known for its powerful jaws, yet the mother handles her young with surprising tenderness, carrying them safely to the water.
The maternal instinct is strong. The female Nile crocodile must transport her precious cargo to the safety of the water. A gauntlet of dry mud and hungry predators awaits the young crocodiles as they follow their mother's massive feet to the river. For years she had studied the bones, but nothing prepared her for the sight of the living titans marching through the valley.
Remarkable maternal care. She's ferrying them to safety, a critical first journey.
For the herpetologist, the swamp is a living laboratory. Thorne's meticulous notes capture the subtle dynamics of these ancient reptiles.
Every one of these hatchlings represents a triumph against immense odds.
The Nile crocodile is fiercely protective. She carries her young in her mouth to the water's edge before gently releasing them into their new world.
With a gentle nudge, the hatchling leaves the safety of the snout, propelling itself forward in its first independent swim.
The Nile crocodile, an apex predator, guides her vulnerable hatchlings into the safety of the reedy